Today I turned 43 years old. To me, it's just another day. My wife insists on making a big deal out of it, but to me, it's just another day. Oh, and don't make fun of my heart coffee cup. My wife got that for me. Now I start today like any other day, going out to the shop, turning the lights on, getting stuff watered. I'm up before the chickens. I'm up before the bats. I'm pretty much up before anything every day of the week.
Alright, so here's what we're looking at. I've taken it apart a little bit. Ooh, don't want anything to fall. And this is where the leak is. But I don't know if... the hell are those birds doing out there? I don't know if it's leaking like out the nut there, or if the hose... I don't know. I put it back together because this is one of those nut and ferrules where it squishes the ferrule and kind of crimps it on, and so I can't take it off. I was hoping it was going to be just remove the ferrule, remove the nut, cut the line, because you can see I've got plenty there. Put it all back together and you're done, but it's not so simple. So we'll leave it like that. When it gets a little later, we'll get it started up and see what we see. Hopefully we can get her fixed, because I kind of rely on that thing. Well, here I go again. This is all my mess from last week that I never put away. I've told you guys I'm horrible at that. This is from when I fixed my truck last week, and this got all screwed up in here. I got to figure this thing out. It's 15. Oh, yes, it is. Let's go into get that worked out later. And of course, 10 millimeters missing. Big shocker, right? This is from working on my truck last week, getting it fixed. All right, we're part of the way there. Oh, how many of these do I have sitting out? I also have to get the toolbox in the back of the truck today. I'm gonna wait for my son to wake up and help me with that because it's heavy. And I do not want to deal with that on my own. Alright, figure this thing out now. I don't know if there's any kind of rhyme or reason for these things to fit in here, or if they just fit how they fit, right? I mean, I'd like to have them in some sort of order, but that'll do for now, I guess. See, that don't fit in there. Don't even fit in there. I think that'll do. There we go. This is the piece I had on the table saw I got to get on there someday, but not today. That is for a different day. What a mess. Oh, did you get to the next page? Oh, hang on. This one isn't in there. Just get this one in. Go back to your other page. Just make sure that we got this.
There.
Okay, yeah, no, you got it right. Stick that one in there.
I decided today to take a few minutes out of my day to sit down with my youngest daughter and assemble a Lego boat. I encourage everybody to sit down, spend some time with your kids. You know, they are the next generation, and I couldn't imagine them not being around. So spend some time with them, have a good time, and laugh, love, all that good stuff.
So these are extra pieces. You gonna put those in your box? You gonna show the camera your new boat? Gonna show Mama your new boat?
Ah.
Oh, I better not step on these. You got too much stuff in the way. Alright, so there's my little generator trailer. We're moving into that time of the year now, and my plan is to take that and I'll park it right here. I'll move the stuff out of the way, I'll park it right there for now during this time of year, and when we do lose power, I can pull it right up onto the patio, start it up, and we have a generator. My home state of California is being ravaged by wildfires right now. As you can see from the view from my drone, the air is full of smoke. The state is on fire. I have a great deal of respect for the men and women who are fighting these fires day in and day out. But we need to do something to stop this. We need to improve our forest management. We need to improve our common sense as human beings and just take care of our amazing state of California.